So hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how I did this cute colorful look right here I'm wearing. But first of all, if you are new to my channel, it's your first time seeing any of my videos, and you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate that. And you can share, leave a comment, give me a good old thumbs up, and let's get into this video. Okay. So first I'm gonna add concealer to my lids. I'm just gonna spread that out with a brush. And go up into my crease, everywhere that I'm gonna apply shadow, which is my whole lid, crease area, and under my brow bone. So I'm gonna use this by M.A.C Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette right here, and I'm gonna go in with this fuchsia. I'm gonna go in with this fuchsia color right here. So I'll apply that right above my crease. And as you can see, the concealer that I applied first helps it stay and helps it become pigmented, or keep it pigmented, because this palette is a little not as pigmented as I would like. So I add concealer to make sure that I get as much color payoff as I want. And then I'm gonna bring it out like a little tail, almost like a wing maybe, like slightly, you know. Okay. Then I'm gonna do the other side the same way. And I'm gonna blend out the edge. I'm not adding any more product, just blend out what's on the brush. I'm going to go into my M.A.C Cosmetics ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and I'm going to start with this blue glittery shimmery color right here, and I'm going to use a regular size fluffy brush and apply that to my outer lid area right here. And go up a little into the crease. Try to blend those together right at the edge. Then, in that same palette, I'm going to go in with this purple beside that blue and just put it right next to the blue. And I'm going to blend that with the blue a little, kind of mirror the two colors, have a smooth transition between the two. And this color is Charmed, and the blue is Sapphire. So, and this is a pretty purple with hints of blue in it. And I'm bringing it up into the crease a little, just a tiny bit, just same amount, same way up that I did the blue. Okay, out of the same palette, I'm gonna use this shimmer, this yellow color, Golden Girl right here, and that's gonna be my inner corner, well, the rest of my lid. I'm gonna use that color. I'm just gonna blend that to the others, to the purple. And blend it where they meet slightly. Just really small motions that I use so that I won't go too far into the other. And then do the other one. Same way. And go up into that pink. Okay. Just making sure I went up high enough to the crease with that yellow. Alright, so now I'm going to wet this brush. I'm just going to do a highlight now. It's this color right here. I'm going to blend this color into the highlight area and come down to that fuchsia. So guys, I finished off the look with a nude lip and a brown liner. I did a highlight in my cheekbones. Due to technical difficulties, I lost the footage of that, but you can check out my last video, my blue soft glam look, and I showed you what lip combo I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, you know, that'd be great. And follow me on all my social media. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.